In front of me is ULEFONE Note 8B, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. First of all, open Settings. Now click on Apps and Notifications, scroll down, choose Advanced and choose Permission Manager. Over here, pick one of the options by clicking at the chosen one. I will go with Location, so now I have to click on it, and then pick one of my apps. I will go with Calendar. Now pick one of the options, allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with allow only while using the app, so when I go back I can see that Calendar gained access to my device location while I'm using it. But you can also click on one of your apps, choose the all maps permissions over here and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!